Servano Kiro Morondi ari mukuru w'ekibine kya NRM ha municipality ya Kasese yashoborra ngu kuruga ihanga ritungo kwetegeka ihanga ritiro rutambwe no kuterera ombyo butegeki ebyo kwirinda ombiragiro no buteka batire engendero y'ihanga entegeka y'ebiragiro hamwe n'ebindi.
Those who are saying with is only for us to celebrate the independence, they are, of course, those are people who don't appreciate. Specifically, if I can be specific, definitely people on the opposition side, they don't appreciate what we are doing. So us as people in the leadership, we have to appreciate every effort that every leader is putting in place. And independence did not begin with the 7. It began some time back.
Francis Mugisa Chitula yagira ngo ihanga ritebekeine abwo burungi abana bashoma na nebyentasi yabyashemera.
Those in business, of course, when you're celebrating Independence Day, you should also look at yourself and know how independent am I in my business, how independent am I at school, how independent am I at home with my family. Can I make decisions that can contribute to this economy, to this country? I think we should look at it in that other version. How far am I independent from the things that make me poor?
Gloria Masika kurugo mu rembo rwa Kasese yashoborra ngu nk'abakyara nibareba kwetegeka okurabira ombyo bwebembezi okwebwa entebe ezebishajo nkeyo muhwezi wa mukuru w'ihanga eya speaker wa parliament eyenganzi y'ihanga hamwe na nezindi.
We really appreciate the leadership in power that has given that conducive environment to the women. Let us not abuse our officers. If indeed the government entrusted us with power, let us show that dignity of women, and we represent a woman, a mother, a sister, and a grandmother.
Brian Basisa mwembezi w'ekibine kya National Unity Platform mu Kasese yashoborra ngu n'obuhariho buterera omu ihanga konkana bashaba gavumenti okugumana ejumbise bibina by'obutegeki ebindi omu kutebeekanisa okwokujaguza izoberi.
Independence Day has lost meaning. What we intended to have as independence is not independence. When you look at the current situation in the country, where people are abducted, people are put in prison illegally, where people are killed for what they believe in, makes independence irrelevant.
Amabigambo bya Ronald Bwambale Kabuku mukuru w'ekibine kya FDC mu district ya Kasese yashoborra ngu eizoba lyo kwetegeka kabura karomugasho habwo kuba kajwanjibwa mu ebyo butegeki.
Up to now it is still challenging that with all this poverty that Ugandans now survive in, with all this land grabbing, with all this kind of corruption around the Ugandan community, that Ugandans can celebrate independence. Because independence literally means Ugandans enjoying what belongs to them.
Kandi bo Abakuzanisa omuri Ssembabule bayihanangiriza abantu babutosha okwetantara okutabangura Obusingye obwihanga rukworekerera emikoro yo kwetegeka mu izoba erya nyenkyakare.
Okutyo twatongere real independence after 86 Bora benojuka nabo twagezaho no kutunga nabo twatunga n'ekitwa tweta barter trade cyo kwa territory bakageza mihango kengo teje ya Kampala mubenge foto bakageza barter trade territory cyahinduka kashkuro ebyima byahinduka kashkuro enyama yahinduka kashkuro amateka yahinduka kashkuro buri kimwe cyone cyatunga economy yetase y'abantu makanga. Now that's when we realized
independence eketaho bakayiruka bwiruka bashobora ubutegetsi bwa Afrika aba-Uganda bakama babaremesa bahunga bagenda bakagenda no mu itumbi. You can recall the history. Nekeshobora bashitaho mu itumbi bendera yabo bagita hansi batoroka ko mutatoroka mukayisha ngari nyime. So from then there was an independence. It's until the national research movement system of the revolutionary basis of Uganda to be independent. We are very independent now. Right from 1986 to katunga independence.
Emikoro yo kwetegeka bw'omurundo gwa 63 mu ihanga lya Uganda ne yanyichakare naija kujaguzibwa ahansi y'omutwe guru kugira ngo emyaka 63 n'enshonga eyokwongeramu amaani n'omujinya omukwegeitana n'okutwara ihanga omu maisho. Emikoro yo kujaguza ahabwa omwaka ogu eshangira Uganda iteirabe byokwerinda omu myanya ey'omu maisho obwo barikwetegurira okurinda akaruru k'omwaka gw'2026. Amakuru aga gashakwa Julie Namale hamwe na Gerald Muhindo ahabwa Tayari West.